Hi, my name's Ollie, and we're at Dairy Queen with my friend Darcey. And we're here to test them in all those tasty things. Yummy, yummy. Go! What do you think?
Don't just lick it.
Don't just lick it. It's really good. Today we have cookie dough Smartie caramel. Ooh, someone's already ahead of me. You like it? Oh, it's really good. 2 thumbs up. Oh. It's delicious. Which was your favorite one?
Cotton candy.
You like cotton candy? Wow, I like the strawberry cheesecake. It was really good. Okay. Support kids like Darcey on Miracle Treat Day. Buy blizzards. At the wave. Thank you! Ow! I need a blizzard.